wealthiest countries in the world, more and more people are now living on the street. Many are struggling with addiction, mental or physical illness. Others are escaping violence and abuse. But an increasing number are here simply because they can't afford to live anywhere. The situation's made worse by a critical shortage of affordable housing and cuts to social welfare benefits.
We are here in Coventry outside Little Angels Day Nursery, which is based at the Coventry Muslim Resource Centre, and the staff at Little Angels Day Nursery have organised a sleep out event to highlight the plight of the homeless and to raise financial support and funding for the homeless, so that this Christmas homeless people have a roof over their heads. And as you can see, there are ladies, men and young children who are all here sleeping out in the cold weather with rain falling on their head to experience what it is like to be homeless. And they are only experiencing this for one night, whereas most people who are homeless have to do this day in and every night. So they want to do whatever they can to try and support the homeless and raise awareness of homelessness in Coventry at Little Angels Day Nursery.
होमलेस के लिए यकजहती का प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है हमारी कम्युनिटी में भी, एशियन कम्युनिटी में भी। हमारे अपने स्ट्रीट पे काफ़ी लड़के बैठे हुए हैं। एक दो हफ्ते पहले मैंने मेरी बहनें हमने पूरा कम्युनिटी का जो है ना वो सब स्ट्रीट पे जाके टाउन में जाके देखा कि कितनी होमलेसनेस है और बहुत शॉकिंग हुई है। मैं तो काफ़ी अर्से के बाद आई हूँ कम्युनिटी में, तो हम शाम को वो खाना वगैरह भी देते हैं उनको, तो देखते हैं वो किस तरह रहते हैं।
जी हम यहाँ पे होमलेस पीपल को के साथ इज़हार यकजहती के लिए आए हैं। तो हम ये फील करना चाहते हैं, इसलिए हम इधर सो रहे हैं, हम ये फील करना चाहते हैं कि वो किस तरह है, वो बाहर रहते हैं, उनके पास कोई घर नहीं है, कोई उनके पास कोई ठिकाना नहीं है। तो हम ये देखना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए हमने डोनेशंस भी इकट्ठे किए हैं और हम ये जो है ना बस उनके साथ हैं इज़हार यकजहती करेंगे।
It's very cold outside and we've only been out here for not even a few hours and it's already really cold, and so we must imagine how the homeless people feel, and they've been out here for days.
We're doing this sleep out in aid of the World Sleep Out Day for the homeless at the Muslim Resource Centre here in conjunction with the Little Angels Nursery. We're trying to raise money for the homeless. We've so far raised over £1,300, which we will distribute to the homeless in Coventry and also the United Nations charity for the homeless. This is an international sleep out day in support of the 100 million people of the world that are homeless.
I've read an interview about a guy called Josh who started Social Bite, and it's a company in Scotland that deal with homeless people, and they do amazing work, and I was so impressed that I wanted to contribute in some way. And he has organised the big sleep out. So when I found out about the big sleep out, I wanted to do it, and I would have done if it had been just me. But then I spoke to these two lovely ladies and mentioned it, and they agreed that they would do it with me. And come what may, we are sleeping outside for the night, and we're doing it to experience how somebody would live, and that's somebody's life that we're doing. And we've been very fortunate, and we've raised such a large amount of money.
हमने जो आज कलेक्शन की है होमलेस लोगों के लिए, उसका ये मकसद था कि हम भी आज यहाँ पर सोएंगे और देखेंगे कि वो लोग कैसे बाहर सोते हैं और अपना कैसे वो गुजारा करते हैं। इसलिए हमने ये फ़ैसला किया था कि हम उनके साथ यकजहती के तौर पर ये काम करेंगे, और ये काम मुस्लिम ज़ोर सेंटर की तरफ से किया गया है। और जिन लोगों ने हमें डोनेशन दी है, हम उन सब का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि इंशाअल्लाह वो अंदा भी हमारी मदद करेंगे।